Welcome to the heart of the bay, Deltaville Yachting Center, where traditional small-town America meets modern marine service to provide you with the best of both worlds. Deltaville, Virginia and the Chesapeake Bay have long been favorites of fishing and boating enthusiasts. In the last 10 years, owners Lou and Anna Grimm have developed the Deltaville Yachting Center into a premier facility and first-class destination. In fact, over the last 3 years, local boaters voted Deltaville Yachting Center as the #1 marina in the best-kept secrets of river country and best of the bay in 5 different categories. Deltaville Yachting Center covers over 9 acres and 1,000 feet of waterfront. Covered slips, uncovered slips, enclosed boatel spaces, and land storage are available annually and seasonally. With a 50-ton travel lift and 2 forklifts, Deltaville Yachting Center provides haul-out services, a full-service repair yard, storm haul-out, professionally trained marine technicians, refinishing and paint services, marine generator air conditioning and engine installations and service, a full-service rigging department, and the assurance that all work is done to ABYC standards. Deltaville Yachting Center is more than just a place to keep your boat. Our amenities include a captain's clubhouse with a private pool, bathroom and shower facilities, a lounge with cable TV, dining tables, a lending library, and a kitchenette. Adjacent to the clubhouse is a waterfront picnic area with charcoal grills. Also available to DYC boaters is free Wi-Fi, cable TV at wet slips, access to fax, mail and parcel service, on-site notary, car storage, dockside non-ethanol gasoline, and a fish cleaning area. DYC Ship Store is stocked with ice cream, snacks, sodas, ice, t-shirts and clothing, convenience items, engine parts, filters, lubricants, painting supplies, hardware, cleaning supplies, and a whole lot more. And we're close to restaurants, shops, and churches too. Deltaville Yachting Center is the home of Chesapeake Yacht Sales, Virginia's dealer for Catalina yachts, mainship trawlers, and Carolina Classic sport fishing boats, as well as one of the largest used boat brokerages on the bay. What was once acreage along the south branch of Broad Creek has grown into a full-service recreational boating facility. Even with all of our services and amenities, we work to keep our relaxed and friendly attitude and put a personal touch on customer service. We value our relationship with our customers and ensure integrity by focusing our efforts on providing quality service as the foundation of our business. So, whenever you set a course on the Chesapeake Bay, we hope you'll choose to make us part of your adventure. Deltaville Yachting Center. Welcome to the heart of the bay.